Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia R Home Cooking. Today episode will be about the salmon. We make the stuffed salmon. It's a delicious recipe and I make this recipe quite often and everybody enjoys so much. I've been asked for this recipe, so I like to show you how I make this stuffed salmon. And the first part, stuffing for salmon, cream cheese, 8 ounces, crab meat, 2 cups, red onion chopped, 1 small onion, green parsley, 2 tablespoons, spinach, 1 cup, little baby shrimps will be about 1 cup, crab meat, these are small pieces, I don't have to cut this, 2 eggs, that will be great dish, 2 tablespoons mayo, Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon, same with pepper, salt, lemon, 1 tablespoon, even more, I have to try, and just use your hands and it will be faster to mix everything because I have lots of stuffing, because the salmon what I have for this dish is pretty large, it's 1.5 pounds. It's a nice fillet. Wow, the stuffing looks beautiful already. So many colors. I can see the little shrimps, spinach, everything looks beautiful already. And the taste even better than it looks. Excellent dish. And 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. The stuffing is done. The next part will be pour some oil. Filet I have to cut in the middle. Just be careful, don't cut to the end. Don't cut through. Just cut in the middle. Make the space for the stuffing. I have little. Just got cut like this. And just. The salmon is ready. Now, next part. I will start with this beautiful stuffing. It's like go between, even a little bit more. It's a very nice recipe, it's pretty easy. The stuffed salmon is done. Now a little bit lemon. Look, baby, beautiful taste. Let's go remove seeds. And I have extra stuffing, so I will make now I'm making little crab cakes. That will be great addition for my stuffed salmon dinner, and everybody loves this little crab cakes. I make the 12 beautiful crab cakes. Now we'll bake this for 350 degrees and bake for 30 minutes until will be a little bit gold color. This is my proposition for dinner. Stuffed salmon, rice with green beans, corn and carrot, and crab cake. The stuffing I use for the salmon. The stuffed salmon is done, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe. Please like and subscribe. See you soon. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.